on today, mate. So it's about the fact that the people who won us the right to roam at Kinder, a lot of them were the same people who 4 years later put on the walking boots again, but this time walked over the Pyrenees into Spain to join the International Brigade and make a stand against a new ideology that should be a defunct one, but at the moment seems to be on a comeback. It's called fascism. The need to fight it's as strong now as it was in the 1930s, the 1940s. So, make your vote count, it could be coming up soon. This is the story of a rambling man, spent all his days working with his hands. Come the weekend he likes to roam over at Kinder where the heather grows. Straight from the factories, best foot forward over the Kinder screen. Straight from the factory, take on the landlords armed with your self-belief. Walking in the footsteps of giants, let's go walking in the footsteps of giants. Walking in the footsteps of giants, let's go walking in the footsteps of giants. 4 years later and the foreman came, told them of a war being waged in Spain. Good folk were needed to make a stand, stop the spread of fascism across the land. Straight from the factory, best foot forward over the Pyrenees. Straight from the factory, gone to fight Franco armed with your self-belief.
As the situation developed, and I read more and more about it, and whether eventually I found out that in the Manchester Evening News asking for volunteers for Spain, and the man who knew of coming to Manchester and volunteers.
We've got a debt to pay to all those who walk this way, to all those who dare to stray from the safe and the easy way. Yeah!
Walking up the Pyrenees, walking up these mountains, with pitch darkness of steep mountains that are really trying, because you never thought you were going to get to the top.
Straight from the factories, straight from the factories, from Kinder to Cordova, Kinder to Cordova, this world over, this world over. Straight from the factories, straight from the factories, from Kinder to Cordova, Kinder to Cordova, this world over, this world over. Walking in the footsteps of giants. Thank you very much. I've got a clue how long we've been playing for. I better